To test the divisibility rule of 6, this should satisfy the condition. What condition is that? The given number should be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. What is the condition for 6 divisibility rule? The given number should be divisible by both the numbers, that is 2 and 3. Okay. Let us see the number 7322. Let us check this number is divisible by 2 and 3. Now test for 2 first. Now in units place we have here 2. So does this satisfies the condition of 2, that in units place we have 2? Yes. So this number 7322 is divisible by 2. Yes. Now we will see divisibility rule for 3. Now add this number 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. Now what is the total of this? 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Now, is 14 is divisible by 3? No. So, this divisibility rule of 3 is not satisfied by this number. Okay, means it is the given number, it is not divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 3. Means here it is divisible only by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. So the given number is also not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. Okay. Now we'll take another number and we'll check it. Okay. Let the number be 3210. Now check this number whether it is divisible by 2 or not. What is the condition for 2? The units place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Any of this number should be in units place. If it is there, then it is divisible by 2. Now let us check for divisibility 3. Okay. Now add this number 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. Now what we get the total of this number? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 0 is 0, 6. Okay. The total, the sum we got here 6. 6 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible by 3. In 3 table 6 goes 2 times. So here it is satisfying two conditions. It is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. It is also divisible by 3. Okay. Then the number is divisible by both the numbers. So it is 3110 is also divisible by 6. Now we will see for the number 8. What is the rule for number for 8 is the number formed. Okay. The number formed by last 3 digits. The number formed by last 3 digits. That is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. In a given number, the number formed by last 3 digits. That is hundreds, tens and ones. That number, if it is divisible by 8, the given number is also divisible by 8. Let us check now for the number 571842. Now see, what is the last 3 digit number here formed in this given number is 842. So is this number divisible by 8? You can check it with the actual division also. It will be easy. Okay, 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40. Means 840 we have. But reminder we are getting here 2. So it is not divisible by 8. Okay. The last 3 digits are 842 in the given number. So 842 is not divisible by 8. So the given number is also not divisible by 8. Now let us take the another number. 987048 is the number. Now what is the number formed by last 3 digits? Is 048. The number we got here 048. Is it divisible by 8 or not? Let us check it. Now here the hundreds place is 0. So consider only 48. Is 48 divided by 8? Yes. 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. So the last 3 digits a number is formed. That number is divisible by 8. So the given number is also divisible by 8 exactly. Understood, children? Divisibility rule of 8 is the number formed by last 3 digits. The number formed by last 3 digits, if it is divisible by 8, then the complete number, given number, is also divisible by 8. Okay. Hope you all understood the divisibility rule of 8. And let's see the number 9 now. Let's see the number 9. The rule for 9 is same like 3, children. Okay, same like 3. What is that? All the digits of the number, all the digits should be added. Okay. If the sum is divisible by 9, then the whole number is divisible by 9. Let us check for a number like 634680. Okay, let us add first 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 0. If you add all these numbers, you will get 27. Okay. Now check whether this 27 is divisible by 9 or not. In 9 table we have 27. So the complete number 634680, 6,34,680 is divisible by 9 exactly. Okay. Now we'll see the divisibility rule for 11. What is the rule for 11? Okay. The difference between the odd and even places. The difference between the sum of odd and even places should be 0, or it should be divisible by 11, or it should be divisible by 11. Okay. I'll repeat again. The difference between the sum of odd and even places should be 0 or divided by 11. Let's check for the number 132. Let's go with first 3 digits. Now from the right to the left, from ones place, odd and even. Okay, 1 and 2 are odd places, 3 is even place. So what is the sum of these odd places? 2 and 1 is 3. Now odd minus even is equals to 0. Okay, the sum of odd and even places, we got here 0. So 132 is divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. Now in the same way, let us check for the number. Another number 3, 2, 4, 5. 3245. Now check here what are the odd and even places first. 5 is odd place and 2 is odd. And these two are even places. Now 5 plus 2 is how much? 7. And 3 plus 4 is how much? 7. So 7 minus 7 we got here 0. So 3245 is also divisible by 11. Okay. Hope you all understood the divisibility rules. Thank you.